Hey guys, Annyeong. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nidhi. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the products that I got from purple.com, and it's my first time experiencing this site. So before starting this video, I want to give a small disclaimer about this product is that I've been using this product for a very long time, and I would suggest you guys to do a patch test before if you have a sensitive skin. So yeah, let's not waste the time and let's get started with the video. So these are all the products here, and safety is first, so please sanitize the products. So the first product is the Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Face Mist. I usually use this product before applying any moisturizer, and it has an antibacterial properties and also soothes the skin and prevents acne. It also has sweet scent which keeps one feeling refreshed and makes the skin look young and glowing. So you can definitely try out this product. So the second product is the Peach Hydrating Foaming Face Wash. It has a vitamin C and it gives the face much needed hydration and keeps it fresh, and the peach in it gives your face a healthy glow. So let's see how well does it works. So wet your face first and take a small amount of pump.
And gently apply it on your face and give a massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Exactly smells like peach.
I hope you guys can see my skin and the difference. Like, I can literally feel my skin and the softness on my skin. So the second product is this Good Vibes Tightening Scrub that is from Rose and Geranium, because it has astringent property that tightens the skin, and the Rose and Geranium restores skin flawless glow. So let's see how well does it works. I had already wet my face a little bit. I have washed my face and I literally feel refreshed. And it is highly recommended for aging and dull skin. So let's begin with the next product. The next product is this charcoal activated deep cleansing face mask. So this charcoal draws out all the dirt, impurities and bacteria that is deep inside the skin and deep seated in the skin and keeps the skin flawless. So the instruction that is given is to keep this for like 10 to 15 minutes, but I'll keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. So it's dried off and let's now rinse it off. So the next one is this Papaya Glow Face Mask. Papaya also is known for lightening pigmentation and blemishes the skin, and it is also known for hydrating the skin. So let's see how to use it. It is said that scoop it out with your gentle fingers and steadily and smoothly massage it with your fingers and clean your face first and let it dry for 10 minutes and clean it with water and go shine bright. So let's see. It is exactly smelling like papaya. Forgot to apply some water with my face first. As it is said that it is the Papaya Glow Face Mask, and I can literally feel the glow on my face. Sorry guys, I'm seeing upwards again and again because it's my new camera and I'm not used to it. So the last product is this Pomegranate Glow Toner. It is one of my favorite toner till date because I've been using this product, this glow toner, for a very long time. Like I use this product like twice a day and I can literally see the changes on my face. So you can definitely check out this product on purplle.com. Now gently dab it with your fingers. The smell is damn good and it literally feels like refreshing. And lastly but not the least is this Wadi herbal under eye cream. I usually use this product at night, so I won't be using right now because I'm shooting it in a day live. So yeah, I've been using this oil product for a very long time and I'm absolutely loving this product, and I hope this video was useful for you guys, and if so, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.